Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the graphics card on MSI Thin A15. To check the graphics card, you just need to right click on the taskbar, then go to Task Manager, then click on this button which is Performance, and now you'll see your GPU 0 and GPU 1. The GPU 0 is the one that's integrated with the CPU, and the GPU 1 is the one that's better and not integrated. So in my case it is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050. You can also make the window bigger to see more about it. Here is all of the utilization and also the amount of gigabytes on your card and all of that. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.